In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a document to yourself using Gmail, a simple yet incredibly useful skill to have, especially if you need to transfer files between devices or simply keep a backup of important documents in your email account. We'll go through this step by step, making sure you understand each part of the process clearly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a button labeled Compose. This is your starting point for sending any email, where you'll be able to craft your message and attach files. Click on Compose, and a small window will pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you have the new message window open, it's time to address the email to the correct recipient, which in this case is yourself. In the field labeled To, type in your own Gmail address. This may seem a bit unusual, but it's really just like sending an email to anyone else, except the recipient happens to be you. By doing this, you ensure the document will be sent directly to your inbox, accessible whenever you need it. Once you have your email addressed, it's time to attach the document you wish to send to yourself. Look for the paperclip icon in the new message window. This icon represents the option to attach files to your email. Click on the paperclip and a File Explorer window will open. This allows you to browse through your computer's folders to locate the document you want to send. With the File Explorer open, navigate through your files and find the document you want to email. Once you've located the file, click on it to select it, and then click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. This action attaches the document to your email, ready to be sent. Before you hit send, take a quick moment to check that everything is in order, make sure your email address is correct, and verify that the correct document is attached by looking at the file name. You might also want to add a subject line and a brief message in the body of the email for easy reference later. Once you're sure everything looks good, click the send button. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to email a document to yourself quickly and effortlessly using Gmail. Remember, this trick is not just perfect for backing up files, but also for sharing them across your personal devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out other videos in our channel to learn more useful tips and tricks.